Hello! In today's video, I will continue organizing my little craft corner. This time, I will be organizing my diamond painting trays, and I'd like to share all my experience and opinions about these trays that I've been using for almost 2 years now. I will divide the video, so if you are more interested in a specific model, just click on the corresponding section and you will hear all the details. First, I'd like to highlight that these trays either came with kits or I ordered them from Temu or AliExpress, so my experience are limited to this. Let's start with the classic green diamond painting trays. Most kits come with these. They are small, lightweight, and a little bit ugly. I don't know why they are green, but honestly, it's not really important. As you can see, I will be testing with white and dark purple square diamonds to see how the trays work. And right away, I got a faulty tray. Let me show you. So, when the diamonds don't line up properly after shaking, it's not your fault. These trays were made incorrectly. Since I have a lot of green trays, I've come across a few faulty ones too. The easiest way to test is to pour the diamonds into another tray and compare. And here is my little funnel, which I think is one of the most important tools. My poor silicone funnel is old, but still very useful. I only like to pour the diamonds back into the container from these green trays using the funnel. That way they don't spill everywhere because, in my opinion, spilling diamonds is one of the most annoying things in diamond painting. Another practical reason I like these green trays is that they let me prepare an entire diamond painting kit in advance. By sticking these small round labels on the edge of the tray, I can mark the diamond numbers and symbols. Since I can stack the tray on top of each other, they don't take up much space and I always have a ready-to-use set on hand whenever I feel like working on it. Here I'd like to point out that this solution is comfortable and practical, but there are two downsides. The stack of trays can be knocked over very easily and the small stickers are hard to remove. These also leave a sticky residue, so you will need to wash the trays more often. These trays are the same model like green trays. Here is the other common type of tray. The only difference is that these are usually white or purple. Some are a bit narrower, others a bit wider. Another difference, as you can see, is that the tray has an open spout, which makes it easier to pour the diamonds back into the storage containers, but at the same time it also makes it easier to accidentally spill them. The diamonds line up similarly after shaking, just like in the small green tray. And there are also faulty trays here. Let me show you. It's even more obvious in this case when a tray is not usable. Honestly, these are the trays I use most often. I really like them. I use the purple ones less, mostly only for the white diamonds. Since it's easier to put the diamonds back into almost any type of container, I use these trays every day. And the best part is that you get this with the kits, so you don't have to spend extra money on them. These trays have a slightly different shape and come in more colorful designs. They all came with kids' diamond painting kits. but they don't do anything more or less than the previous green, white, or purple trays. To sum up, these are practical diamond painting trays. They do their job. But in terms of appearance, they can be compared to a beautifully hand-painted artisan tray. Let's see the next kit. I ordered this 7-in-1 diamond painting tray from Temu. As you can see, there is one big tray with 6 small square trays inside. Well, there were 6, but I lost one of the small trays somewhere. To be honest, I don't like this set. The quality is poor and I will explain why. First of all, what I really don't like is that the big tray is way too large. It's hard to hold and takes up too much space. The small square trays are too tiny and their edges are very high. Working with them feels really uncomfortable for me. Especially because I have a thinner diamond painting pen, it's hard to pick up the diamonds near the edge. Even with a thinner simple plastic pen, the high edge make it difficult. So when I used these trays, I had to shake the diamonds again after almost every second or third pickup. My other big problem with this huge tray is that it's not polished well. The diamonds get stuck in it. I thought it would be great to pour a lot of diamonds into one big tray, especially the ones I have many of, and use a multiplacer pen to work faster. But sadly, it didn't work as I expected. Maybe you think I'm being too critical, but I feel it's only fair to share my honest opinion about a product. Until now, I mostly made relaxing videos without talking, but this time I decided to share my experience. Yes, the truth is that this was a cheap diamond painting tray set, but I think it's fair for people to know what they can expect for their money. I'm not saying all trays of this type are bad, but I don't like this one I got. It's up to you to decide if you want to give it a try or not. So, as you can see, while I keep shaking the diamonds, they still get stuck in different spots, and that's really annoying. Another strange thing for me is this little hole where I'm supposed to pour the diamonds back into the container. Even though the hole is there, you really need to use a funnel. Because the tray is too wide and the diamonds get stuck, they often spill outside the container. So, to sum it up, I don't like this set because it's uncomfortable to use. I use it very rarely. I wouldn't buy it again. By the way, I'm also working on a video about all my other useless or funny Temu finds. And there is the next tray set. This is a 4-in-1 set also ordered from Temu. The big tray is even larger than the previous one, and I have the same problem with it. It's not comfortable to use, the polishing is not good, and the diamonds get stuck in it. I will show you in a moment. But first, here are the 3 medium-sized trays in different colors. I don't have any big problems with them. The diamonds move around just like in the classic green tray. The only annoying thing is the small hole in the corner, which meant for pouring the diamonds back. But it's in such a bad spot that if I'm not careful and leave the tray the wrong way, the diamonds spill out. I covered the hole on one of them with a little paper tape, and now it's safer to use. Here you can see that even after shaking the diamonds, they still get stuck here and there. Pouring the diamonds back is not any easier either. In fact, if I don't use a funnel, the diamonds spill out just the same. When I remove the paper tape from the corner, you can see some old diamonds stuck to it, and the tray surface stays sticky. Overall, it wasn't an expensive set, but I wouldn't buy it again. I really use it only rarely. And so I'm not only criticizing. Let me show you one of my favorite types of trays. I got these with some larger diamond painting kits and I really love them. They are comfortable to use, the diamonds spread nicely, and there is plenty of space for them. When I have a lot of one color, I like using these trays. They also have a small fold-out spot to help pour the diamonds back into the container. Of course, I still use a funnel, but compared to the previous sets, it's quick and easy to work. It's the same with these big white trays. They came with large diamond painting kits and they are basically just like the smaller version. They are comfortable to use, the diamonds spread nicely in them, and it's easy to pour them back into the container. They are a little bent and have some small flaws, but overall they are very practical. I like them. The next diamond painting tray set is this pink leaf shaped one. It's foldable and opens into two parts, but they don't connect, so I can't use it as a proper container and I don't like it. You can see there that the surface isn't smooth and the diamonds get stuck. Honestly, I think I got a defective tray, probably just a factory error. So I don't believe all of them are like this. If you have the same one, I would love to hear your opinion. By the way, I ordered this from Temu too. Another reason I don't like it is the leaf shape. The curves make it harder for me to pick up the diamonds. I only use these trays rarely, maybe for short videos. They look a bit nicer than the classic green or white trays, but that's about it. They are not any more practical than other trays. The next tray is this cute green apple shaped one. It was the first diamond painting tray I ordered from Temu, and I still use it often and really like it. It also has a small hole to pour the diamonds back into the container, but this one has a plug, so I can't accidentally spill them. The diamonds spread out nicely inside and it's comfortable to use. I also like its color and how it looks. The next are the three heart-shaped trays. I ordered them just a few weeks ago. They look pretty and shiny, but honestly, they are not more useful than the classic green trays. Each one has a lid, but it doesn't stay on well, so the diamonds can spill easily. The small part at the bottom of the heart shape is also useless. You can't pour the diamonds back to tilt it. I only use these trays for editing short videos because they look nicer than the small green ones, so I won't buy more of this model. And yes, I also ordered this from Temu. And yes, the same goes for this very cute and shiny leaf-shaped tray. It doesn't have a lid. The curved edge really bothered me even to this my prettiest diamond painting tray. It's not practical at all. I can't use half of the diamonds because I can't reach them properly. Pouring the diamonds back into the container is also not easy. They bounce everywhere. But at least it looks nice, but that's all. Here comes the next diamond painting tray. This one is a bit more interesting than the previous ones. It's a multifunctional tray. You can see it has a sliding lid that you can also remove completely. Inside the tray there is a plate with two different sides. You can take it out easily and choose which side you want to use. One side is perfect for picking just a few drills and the other side has longer stripped sections. If you want to work comfortably with a multiplacer pan, you can remove the plate completely. So I can turn it into 3 different types of trays. It's easy to take apart and put back together. The size is just right, not too big and not too small. I enjoy working with this tray. It also has a small butterfly-shaped plug that is easy to remove and put back, so it can work perfectly as a diamond storage container too. Since it has a flat rectangular shape, you can easily stack them and keep things organized. It doesn't take up much space and is always easy to reach because the diamond stays safe inside. I ordered this type of tray from both Temu and AliExpress, and I didn't notice any difference between them. And saving my favorite for last, this multifunctional heart-shaped diamond painting tray set. I found several versions of it on both Temu and AliExpress. You can get the 2-in-1 version, but I actually bought the 6-in-1 set. It's 3 different sized heart trays that nest inside each other. Separated, they become 6 trays because the lid also turns into a handy little tray. And when I'm not using them, they fit together into one heart shape from the 6 trays. So they are perfect for storage too. This is my favorite tray by far. It's got everything you need for comfortable, practical work, and it looks nice too. I definitely plan to order more of these, maybe in a different color. And that brings us to the end of today's video. So these are the diamonds painting trays I use. My opinion was shared mainly from a practical point of view. What makes diamond painting easier and more enjoyable for me? As you saw, I have some favorite trays and some that are less useful. I would love to hear your thoughts too. If you have any question about these products, feel free to leave a comment or send me an email. Also, I recommend getting a small shelf cabinet like me, so your diamond painting tools are easy to reach and well organized. In the next video, I will be showing you my diamond painting pens and other small accessories. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with me. It really means a lot. It would mean ever more if you like this video, and if you subscribe to my channel, I promise to keep creating helpful content. Have a wonderful day. Bye.